Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to easily activate your HSBC Mastercard online. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and in the search box type in Activate HSBC Mastercard and press enter. Doing so will take you to the search result on the next page, which is based according to your search. Click on this first link, which will take you to Activate your HSBC credit card page. Click the Get Started button to get started with the process, and then in order to activate your Mastercard or credit card, you'll need to enter your 16-digit credit card number. You must know the last 4 digits of your social security number, 3 digits CVV code, and your expiry date. First, make sure to enter the 16-digit credit card number. Your credit card number will be available right on your HSBC Mastercard or credit card. And now, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. The 3-digit security code will be available on your credit card itself. Simply turn it back and you should be able to see the code. On the last field, enter your expiration date for the card. Finally, click on I'm not a robot and click on the Activate button in order to start the activation process. If you do not have your social security number, you can call the number on the back of your Mastercard or download the mobile application for HSBC to activate your card. That was how you can easily activate your HSBC Mastercard or credit card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.